Good afternoon. Online folks, audible clearly? Oh, sorry. Okay. Clearly audible, visible? Perfect. Let's get started. Done. So can I say, as part of yesterday's discussion, we have completed till hello? Which words? These are words we have completed as part of yesterday's discussion. And we started literals as well. Agree? Okay. Then we have floating point literals. We were about to start floating point literals as part of yesterday's discussion. Agree? Ashwin? Online folks, shall we start? Quick confirmation, please, each one of you. Let's get started. So we were discussing about literals. As part of the yesterday's discussion, we understood literals are nothing but the values in Java. Agree? Identifiers are nothing but the name in Java, like class name, interface name, method name, variable name. Literals are any constant value given to a variable. Agree? Chaliye. Integral literals we have completed. We were supposed to start with the floating point literals. And then we'll talk about the typecasting. Shall I proceed? Moving forward, sir. What's wrong with this? Floating point literals are there. Oh, not working. Wait a minute. Visible now? Online folks? Chaliye. Shall I move now? And we were supposed to take this as well. Chaliye. Shall I proceed? Okay, sir. So we were learning about floating point literals. Now, what is wrong with this here? It's still not coming. Pay attention now. Moving forward. Sir, floating point literals are only two way types are there. Float and double. By default, it is double. Agree? Shall I move forward? Read with me. I have a float variable. Can I say 10.50? Can I store it? Yes or no? Are you sure? Think can apply. Think can apply the logic, guys. Don't simply say yes. Now you know, sir, why? F is I understood. Clear? Sir, you are storing a number. By default, it is a number which has a decimal, that is double. Am I right? Okay. A number by default, it is a double number. Size of double is 8. Where you are trying to store? Float. Size of float? 4 container size. Data size? 8. Will it be allowed? Will it be allowed? Error. Incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from double to float. Agree? Clear? Moving forward. Next scenario. No problem, because double data and data type is also double. No problem. Last one. This is work. Agree? because of this suffix. Now it is considered as a floating number. Agree? Suffix is mandatory, by the way. Pay attention to this one now. First one. Will it work? Second one. Second one. Yes or no? Array, lower case f. Allowed. Although Java is case sensitive, but at the suffix or prefix 0x, hope you remember. That is also uppercase, lowercase, both allowed for hexadecimal. Agree? Suffix, prefix allowed for literals. Am I clear? For values, suffix can be uppercase, lowercase, prefix 0x, capital X, lowercase x. Everything is allowed. Agree? Okay, sir. Double D. Anyways, it is double. You are writing D. What is the big deal? Compiler already know. I anyways treating as a double. But allowed. Am I clear? What is not allowed? Byte B shortest. That is not allowed. Rest everything is allowed. Agree? Am I clear? So all of them will work. These are optional. Tell about this one. Will it work? Think. Double data you are trying to put into integer. Not gonna work. But integer data in double, will it work? Agree? It is not gonna work. Incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from double to int. Next. Int to double. This will work. No problem. How about this one? Now pay attention to this. What is the value? 10.5 exponent power of 2. Are you getting my point? Exponent of 2. E means exponential value. Agree? It actually means what? This is allowed, although you can give data like this. Allowed. Pay attention. What does it mean? 10.5 E2 actually means 10.5 into 10 raised to the power 2 exponent value, na? Able to remember. In mathematics, we have learned something called logarithmic values, exponent values. Remember? 10 raised to the power 2. Don't worry. What does it mean? 10.5 into 100 equal to 1050.0. Reason, it's a double value was. Are you with me? If decimal is not there, dot 0 will be there for sure. Am I clear? Everybody moving. Tell me this. Think and answer. 10.25D, can I store in double? 078.25D. Is it allowed? 078, is it allowed? Yes or no? Allowed. Let me tell you one. First one allowed, second one also allowed. Array? But we learned 078 octal, right? That is for integral literals. What does it mean? Number those who do not have decimal. If you start with 0, then it is octal. For decimal number, there is no concept of octal or hexadecimal at all. Decimal only supported. Am I clear? Agree? If I write 078, it's actually 78.25. D is ignored, initial 0 is ignored. Agree? Because after decimal, at the end, last 0 is there, no value. Same here. Able to understand? Everybody, funda is simple and straight. Octal number, hexadecimal number are allowed only for values those who do not have the decimal. Am I clear? Whatever we learned yesterday, that is applicable for integral literals, values, but not for floating point literals. Agree? These are floating point values. Agree? Where there is no concept of octal. That is the reason this is allowed. In that case, next one, 0x space. This is not allowed. Reason? Decimal is there, means it is not an integral literal. Agree? Array yaar. A number which has a decimal, is it an integral value? Integral value means which does not have a decimal. If decimal is there, it is integer value now. Only integer data can be represented as octal or hexadecimal. Is it an integer value? Is it an integer value? No. Then there is no concept of hexadecimal data type. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Yes or no? No? Arey yaar, your confidence is not there. Funda simple straight, remember one. A number which does not have a decimal. Then we can represent as octal or hexadecimal apart from decimal part. Agree? Agree? But a number which has a decimal, Only one format supported, Deci. Are you getting my point? Everybody, am I clear? In that case, this octal representation, hexadecimal representation is not there. If you give this way, then malformed, read the error. Malformed floating point literal. Are you with me? What does it mean? The literal what you are giving, there is not the right format of. Agree? Guys, I need energy here. Come on, please. Shall I start? Moving forward. Answer this. Is this allowed? Think what is the topic going on? Data type or literal? Literal. So where you should focus on? Data type or literal? Literal, which has a decimal part. Is it having a decimal part? Then by default, integral data type. Agree? Integral data starting with 0 means in octal 8 is allowed. Huh? Then it is not allowed. What is the error? Integer number too large. Are you getting my point? Pay attention. Why it is coming? The value what you are talking that does not have a decimal part. And if it is starting with 0, then it is no more a decimal number. It's then. Are you getting my point? In octal 8 is allowed, not allowed. That is why. Guys, did you practice yesterday's codes? Pakka. I don't feel the confidence. Pakka practiced. Sure. Now, your responses are not justifying that. Honestly, if you are telling practice, then I can check right now. Have you practiced? Honestly, if not, then I'll give you one more day time. No problem. But be honest. If I find you that you have not practiced, I'll block you for 1 week of classes. Honestly, tell me, have you practiced? Not practiced? Hello, hello. Raise hand. I have practiced everything, whatever you shared, sir, yesterday. Boss, you don't need to wait for so long to attend an interview. In classes, it is proven whether you are learning or not learning. Just by attending classes, nothing gonna happen. You are becoming a very good student, that's all, but not a coder. If you want to become a coder, you have to type the code whichever I'm giving you. If you're not practicing, every day your response will start degrading day by day. Things will become super complicated for you. Let me remind you, Java is considered to be one of the most complicated language in market still today. Do you agree? Are you getting my point? And it cannot be learned without practice. Open challenge. I have never seen a student who has never practiced but understanding everything. Impossible. Impossible it is. Confidence will come only when you are practicing it. If you have not done it, shall I expect at least tomorrow everything you will practice and come? Still that convincing is not there. Will you practice everything, then only you'll come to the class tomorrow? Yes or no, guys? Everybody ready? As of now, try to understand any number which does not have a decimal part is the integral literal, octal as well as hexadecimal, both are supported for integral literal. If you're starting with 0, then it is a octal number. In octal, 0 to 7 are there, 8 anyway not there. That is why it is telling integer number. Am I putting integer number or decimal number? Then octal is applicable. Agree? How about this one? Is it having a decimal? First thing, is it having a decimal part? Then floating point number or an integral number? Integral number. Then octal hexadecimal will be applicable, not applicable? Applicable. 0x means hexadecimal. Uppercase, lowercase, any case. Agree? BED. Then it is allowed and some value also will. Agree? For this one, try. Decimal is there or not? Decimal is there. That means integral value. Yes or no? Then it is a floating point value. In case of floating point value, octal and hexadecimal supported. Yes or no? No. A decimal value means floating point number. A floating point number does not have octal or hexadecimal. They have only decimal. Are you getting my point? If a number does not have a decimal part, then it is an integral value. In the case of integral, octal, hexadecimal, apart from decimal is supported. Are you getting my point? Am I clear, everybody? Clear? But if a number has decimal part, is it a integral value? Yes or no? If it is not an integral value, can I represent as octal? No, no. Even if you write 0, this 0 will be ignored. What is left over? 8.5. Double value. Can I store 8.5 into a double variable? No problem. Agree? Pay attention. Next one. A number which has a decimal part. Integral, floating point. For floating point, octal and hexadecimal allowed, not allowed? Not allowed. Agree? If not allowed, what does it mean by 0x and BED? Not allowed means not allowed. Pay attention. Read. Malformed floating point. When malformed floating point? When you are representing a number with decimal starting with hexadecimal. Can you see this here also? Same error is there both the places. Are you getting my point? Funda, simple and clear. Understand. A value which has decimal is a floating point. For floating point numbers, there is no concept of octal or hexadecimal. If a number does not have a decimal, then it is a integral number. Agree? For integral number, octal and hexadecimal allowed. Am I clear? No confusion. Shall I move to next? This is allowed, by the way. What? Anyway, you remember underscores are allowed? Agree? You can write the number like this, provided a underscore is coming between the two numbers, two digits. See, first one. With between the digit, no problem, allowed. Over here, between the digit, no problem, allowed. Am I clear? Initial two are allowed. Agree? Third one, if you see, third one, okay. So many are there. You write any number of underscore, they will be anyway discarded. You know, remember there is something called byte code verifier is there. That will verify is this correct or not. Similarly, bytecode optimizer is there. That will remove unnecessary things. This is for our readability purpose, developers readability purpose. While storing, underscores will be removed if they are written between the digits. One or any, no problem. All of them will be removed. Agree? So third one is also valid. Fourth one, is it between the digits? Fourth one, starting with underscore, sir. This is not allowed. Agree? Am I clear? This is not allowed. Next. Sir, second one, is it between both the digits 3 and decimal? No, not allowed. Agree? Rule is clear. Next, what is the problem? Array after the decimal is starting, this does not have the. Agree? Next, last one, what is the problem? Ending with the underscore. Agree? Clear? I expect you to practice this much. Fadafat and show me each one of you. Fadafat. Online folks, quick. Shall we start? Completed or need time? 5 minutes more? Okay, take it. Online folks, how's the status? Shall we start? Online folks, are you ready? So, class, am I right? Done or still need more time? Done? Sure? Then close your laptop and focus here, please. Public static void main string clear array of args. Then first let me save the code. Floating point address Actually, demo it should be fine. I hope you are clear. Okay, sir. Next, what are the values we are discussing? Okay, 1, 2, 3 and all. Double D equal to 1 underscore 2, 3 underscore 4.56, whatever values are there. 56 underscore 78 works fine as per us. Let's system dot out dot print the value of D is equal to plus D. Am I right? Let me save it. Copy the name, right click, open into CMD, and in my system that system path issue is there. So set class path equal to current CLS Java C, right click. Let me increase the font size. I hope now it's pretty much visible. Agree? Then I would say enter. Then I say Java floating point literal, working absolutely fine. And if you see in output, underscore is not at all there. Are you getting my point? Underscore is not at all there. Reason? That has been removed. That is just for the readability purpose of the developer or the user. Are you getting my point? Whenever developer is writing a big number, then it is quite difficult. If 7, 8 digits are there, then it's very difficult to read. If numbers are specified like this, you can easily handle it, right? Say, for example, if I'm writing this way, then you can tell 1,23,433. This is easier way to read. Agree? Am I right? That is the only purpose is there. But since purpose is there, there has to be some limitation. Say, for example, you cannot write anything before. This is not allowed. Reason? Underscore must come between the 2 digits only. Am I right? If I try to do it this way, will this compile? Will this compile? Let's see the error. Agree? Okay, sir. Moving forward. Sir, if I am not starting with this, what if I'm ending with this before decimal? This is also not allowed. Are you with me? At this position, error is coming. Earlier error because of this. At this position, it was expecting a semicolon. Perfect. Done. Done. Moving forward, sir. If this is also not allowed, can I do this at least? This is also not allowed. Are you with me? Okay, sir. The last combination, what? Ending with underscore. Am I right? Would this be allowed? What do you say? Ending with no. This is also not allowed. Agree? Combinations are clear. Shall I move to the next one? Before that, just a minute. Let me check. Perfect. So next slide, what we are going to proceed. Boolean literals. We have understood integral literals. We have understood floating point literal, Boolean and character literals. Agree? Let's talk about Boolean literals. First one, allowed, sir. No problem. Because Boolean value, Boolean data type. Second one, integer data, Boolean. Then error. Incompatible types. Integer cannot be converted to. Am I right? Next one. This is absolutely wrong, sir. This is neither the Boolean value nor a string value because it is not in double quotes. Agree? If it is a Boolean value, then it must start with the lower case. Am I right? Chaliye. This is absolutely wrong. Cannot find simple true. Agree? Last one, sir. String cannot be converted to Boolean. Agree? Am I right? Pay attention. Next is first one. Allowed. Very much allowed. No problem. Agree? And did I give some task yesterday with respect to Unicode? Did I give some task with respect to Unicode? Hello? Honestly, sir, I checked it. unicode.org. I have actually opened the website. Then I ask something. Didn't open. None of you have opened the one website also. यार फिर तो समस्या गंभीर है भाइयों. Guys, try to understand. If I am giving a task that is not for the fun. So basically, yesterday whatever we have discussed, nobody has practiced and came to class. Agree? Yes or no, guys? Guys, if this is the condition, I am helpless. I can help you only when you are willing to take help. If I'm helping you, you have to work along with me. There is no point me keep explaining something and you are not even practicing it. You will forget for sure. And don't worry, matter of couple of weeks, you will realize, yes, sir, we have done a mistake. Are you waiting for the mistake to happen and then you will correct the mistake, or do you want to correct it now itself? Pardon? Because let me tell you, frankly speaking, I mean, it's up to you whether you want to continue, you don't want to continue, that is up to you. Because why should I lie you here? I should tell you the fact. See, boss, you are here to become a programmer, then only you'll get the job. Am I right? Nobody is going to give you a job if you are not a programmer. Agree? Am I clear? Boss, I can make you programmer only when you practice along with me. If you are not practicing along with me, forget me. There is no trainer who can make you program. If somebody want to make you swim, boss, there is no point attending the lectures of swimming. You have to get into the water, then only you learn. Or is it okay, sir? I have read 5 books of swimming, but never went into the water. I'm a great swimmer. Can you tell? Can you tell? No, you can never tell that. Unless you get into the water, you are not a swimmer. Agree? Agree? If you are learning how to drive a bike, unless you drive the bike, you'll never learn it. How much your friend tells, there is no point. Unless you start practicing how to drive the bike, you are never going to learn. Agree? You must know how to change the gear. Am I right? Unless you practice, purely waste of time for your friend as well as yours. Agree? Similarly, if you are not practicing programming on daily basis, forget about me. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh also come, they cannot help you. Fact I'm telling you. If you feel bad, let it be, but I should tell you the fact. I should not give you some build up like, don't worry, don't study anything, come and sit, I'll make you programmer. No, I'm not a magician to do that. I can make you learn programming provided you are practicing it. If you are stuck, I am always there for you. Any problem you are stuck, I'm there for you. But if you are not practicing, then I'm helpless. Are you getting my point? So what today has happened, can I expect this will not repeat ever at all? Are you getting my concern? If you are attending classes, ensure you must practice. If you have not attended the classes, then mandatory find out what has happened in class, what task has given, complete the task, practice, then come to the next class, else don't come. I cannot help you like this. Am I clear? Agree? Because see guys, try to understand, you are here to learn. And there is a straightforward way of learning. If you start taking shortcuts in that, I cannot guarantee you learn or not. But I guarantee one thing, if you take the straight path, what I am recommending you to take, effort is required. Nothing but typing only. If you practice, definitely you will not have any issue, any confusion, any wrong answer you will not give. Because today you are giving majority of the answers are wrong. Can you experience? People, those who are coming from the day one. Agree? Boss, day by day, Java is moving ahead. Complexity will be keep increasing. Keep on increasing. It is never going to reduce. Agree? I have started with the smallest part, easiest part. But I have to cover the most complex part as well. I am going step by step. If you observe, only about the variable value. I am talking only these things. I have not discussed anything about the method at all. I agree. Arey, come on, yaar. Am I right? Then If you're not practicing it, nothing gonna happen. Humble request, if you're not ready to practice well, I am helpless. You decide. You want to sit like this, the way you had been doing in your engineering or your school days, whatever. You have learned somewhere programming, CSIS people. You want to learn like that, or you want to really learn? Those who are learning for first time. This time I'll learn properly, sir. I'll get the job, then I'll be tension free. Or anyway, first time is there. Couple of months I'll waste time. I'll attend couple of interviews, then I'll realize everybody's clearing the interview. I am not able to make it. Then I'll start studying. Do you want to do it right now, or you are waiting for Shubh Muhurtam? After Deepavali, I'll start, sir. Dasra, after Dasra, I'll start, sir. Anybody? Vaya, either now or never. Today, I'm spending so much of time explaining you the importance of practicing on daily basis. If you really cannot practice on daily basis, guys, I am not a magician to make you learn. I can make you learn only when you are practicing on daily basis. One, don't bunk the classes. In classes, ensure you respond along with me. Are you getting my point, guys? Everybody? And people, those who have joined for first day, guys, previous lecture, you watch it. I'm sure you'll get everything. Nothing will be missed. Not a single lecture will be missed. Did you get the lectures? Did you contacted and asked for the lectures? Whom did you contact? You'll get it. How about contact? Get the lectures recordings. Then you will proceed. Am I clear? Others, please practice. Because see, I don't want to see that situation when you go for an interview, they ask a question which we have discussed in class. Despite of that, you goof up in interview, you give wrong answers, and you lose one of the good opportunity in that. Do you want to experience that? After that, I'll start studying, sir. Hey, let it be one or two interview. Why, boss? Every interview is something which is gonna change your life. Do you agree? If you crack one interview, how many jobs do you want? 4 or 5 jobs you want, huh? One offer letter is enough. Agree? And that can be cracked attending only one interview also, if you are really studying. I repeat, if you're really studying, one interview is enough to crack it. Follow my instructions on daily basis. Wait for a few months. If you are not able to clear the interviews, then we will talk. Provided you are following instructions. And let me remind you one more popular thing which I always say in my initial days of classes. Each one of you will practice. Only one difference. You will practice when I am asking you to practice, that is now, today. Few will practice once they attend interview, then they realize, oh, everything Arun sir explained, now I need to study, else I'll not get the job. Then they'll start from data types. By that time, what not would have happened? I'm telling you, more than 53 are there, not total, reserve words. I would have completed so many things. Then they'll realize, then they wake up and then they start. That time it will be very tough. As of now, it is not so easy, but it is not so tough. It is not impossible. I have ensured whenever I explained a particular topic or a concept, you understood, then only I move forward. Agree? Am I right? What is the problem in practicing, guys? You have to be bit more sincere about your tasks. Are you getting my point? All of you? Sure. If you are gonna put efforts, then there is a point apart. Then only I can help you. And I cannot every day repeat this. You are not a school kid. You are a well-matured person as per me. You are somebody who is going to take the family responsibility in few months. You start earning. You take care about your parents. You want to take care about your family needs. If your siblings, younger siblings are there, you want to take care of their education. Agree? If you have somebody elder in your family, those who are unmarried, for their marriage, you want to arrange the expenses. Boss, family responsibility is there on your shoulder. If you are not aware, let me remind you, you are not a kid anymore. Agree? If you are not going to study now, when are you going to put effort, guys? You decide. Left to you. I guarantee one thing, those who are practicing, they will not have an issue. I guarantee. I'll ensure they will not have an issue. Those who are practicing. Those who are not practicing it, in class, it is clearly visible that you are not practicing if you are not practicing. Wait for a few days. So many concept, one concept after another concept, I'll be moving forward. If you're not practicing it in class, you have no idea what question I'm asking. Forget about answering the right answer. I'm giving the right answer. Question what I ask, that is also not understandable to you if you're not practicing. I guarantee it. And at the other end, the one who's practicing, I ask the question, tuck answer will come. Whatever his answer is there, based on that, I'll ask a cross question. That person know what Arun sir will ask next class question. He will answer that also correct. Ask any question, any combination, tack, 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 answers will come. That person is super confident, ready for interview, should attend them. Am I right? You decide which one you want to become. A person whom I ask a question, they don't even understand the question, or a person ask any question, right answer is there with. Which one you want to become? First one, second one. Only with practice. Nothing else is there. Doesn't matter which background you came from. I ensured everybody will get the comfort zone while learning. Am I right? Guys, this is the last time warning you. If you are really serious about your career, wake up. This is the time. I'm there for you. Like your own brother, I'll give you proper handhold support. If you want, I'll come and type on your system. Not an issue. But effort from your end should be there. And am I asking too much? Am I asking literally bring down the moon to earth? Break the mountain into two pieces? Am I asking something like that? Go home, type what is being discussed in class. You understood the concept anyways, right? Can I expect this will not repeat again? Pakka? Sure. As of now, I'll proceed. Now we are discussing about character literals. I gave a task of Unicode. I expect you to complete by tomorrow. At any cost. What you should do? Go to Google, search for the Unicode. Arey yaar, I'll only do it. Chalo. What is the big deal? Unicode .org, Unicode list, simple type, Unicode list. Wikipedia page will come. Open the Wikipedia page. You will get list of all the Unicodes. Can you see decimal? 0, 1, 2, 3. Unicodes are there. These are Unicodes. If you go somewhere 48, where is the 48? Wait a minute. Not this one. Oops, sorry. Unicode list. Let me show you which one you should open. Third one, compart, I believe. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Not this one. I'll give you one of the site which is easy to understand for you. ORG chart. Chart is also there, na? Unicode chart. You should search for Unicode chart. If you see over here, let's, yeah, this is also quite complicated for you. Wait. This is easier. Perfect. Read 48 is what? Digit 0. Agree? 57 is what? Digit 9. Then start with 65. Can you see 65? Latin capital letter A, uppercase A. Then till 90, uppercase Z. From 97, lowercase a, till 122, you will get this. Agree? Digits 48 to 57, lowercase 65a, 90z. Uppercase, sorry, that is uppercase. Lowercase is 97 to 122. Am I clear? These are the 6 ranges you must remember. Next topic is patterns. There you have to learn this. Very, very, very strict. Am I clear? Everybody, no confusion. Shall I move forward? This will work because character is the character literal. since enclosed in a single quotes, storing into character variable. Works perfectly fine. No confusion. How about this one? Sir, this is not a character because it is not enclosed in single quote. Over here, sir, it is a string enclosed in double quotes in a string. String cannot be converted to character. Agree? This is not allowed. This is not allowed. This is also not. Only one character should be there within the single quotes. Agree? So which one is actually allowed? Only first one. Agree? Second one has an error. Agree? Third one also has an error. String cannot be converted. This is to definitely has errors. 3 errors totally. Am I clear? Agree? We have discussed these kind of scenarios already. Yes. What about this one? Yes, it is allowed. Reason, it is in the range of character. Character maximum range. Maximum value of character 65535. Minimum value of character. Am I right? Okay. This is what the answers I need. If you are saying 97, 97 is the Unicode of capital A, small case a. Agree? So this will be working fine. No problem. Agree? Let's not get into it. Same thing is there. Shall I move forward? 97 means A. Since integral literal is there. Integral literal means does not have a decimal part. Can I write them as a decimal, octal, hexadecimal? Yes or no? Similarly, apply the logic over here. Char C equal to 97, decimal format. Is it in the range? Yes, allowed, no problem. Oh, hexadecimal. 0x means because decimal is not there. Agree? Agree? That decimal value is not there. That means integral value. Integral value means hexadecimal supported. Agree? Now this will have some value number coming, but it is giving question mark. You remember somewhere we have done char C equal to 65535, then question mark came. Agree? Agree? Why this question mark is coming? There are 2 reasons. First reason, no character is associated with that number. Possibility that because 65535 total is how much? 0 to 65535. Total is 65536. Total. Agree? That much character are not being used fully. Few of them are kept empty. That's what I'm saying. No character is associated with that number. Agree? One possibility. Second possibility, that character is associated with that number, but that font is not there in your system. What do you mean by font? For example, let me ask you this way. Hindi alphabets are there in your system? No. You have to support for that. Agree? Then Greek letters are not there, Latin letters are not there, Chinese letters are not there, Japanese letters are not there, Urdu letters are not there, Arabic letters are not there. Are you getting my point? Portugal letters are not there. Are they associated? Yes. But are they downloaded in your system? Your system does not support that. Agree? Am I moving forward? Character is associated, but that these are the only 2 reasons question mark is coming. Agree? Shall I move? What about this one? Is it allowed? Octal number? No, not octal number. Octal number? Yes or no? 100% octal number. And if you do the calculation, some number will come that is actually in the range. 65535. It is only 3 digits. Definitely allowed. Agree? So, what about this one? 65535 allowed. Next. This is allowed, not allowed? Not allowed. 65536. 0 to 65535 allowed. If you try to give this number, default data type is integer, cannot be converted to. Agree? Read. Of course, error will come the same. This is what the website I told. Ensure at least today, check and come. And I need the number for 0 to 9, lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z. I want you to remember these ranges. Agree? This is super important. Will come back again in patterns program. Or if else whenever we are going to do it, that time also it will come again. Am I clear? Chaliye, moving forward. Error. Incompatible types in cannot be converted to error. Agree? This is not really critically important for us. Time waste ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. Okay. Point is, next topic what we have to discuss, mandatory. Let me complete this one. Can I say our integral data type is done? Floating point data type is done? No confusion? Let me see what else is next topic we have. We have Then let me move forward. Shall I move? Now listen one thing. Can I say we understood the data types pretty well? Data types pretty well in Java? Are yes or no? Can I say values, different type, integer values, floating values, character values, boolean values, values you understand? Literals, agree? Sure. Now, shall I move forward and try to explain you the operators in Java? What is the next topic? Operators in Java. What does it mean by operators in Java, sir? There are few special symbols which have predefined meaning. As of now, you see keywords we learned. There are few symbols are there which have few predefined meaning. Say plus, minus, asterisk, forward slash. Are you getting my point? Shall I start discussing all of them? Okay, sir. Give me a moment. Let me start with the next topic is operators in Java. Agree? And one more thing, there is a very basic topic called methods. Methods, have you heard? Methods. That topic is there, which does not have anything with respect to the specifically Java language. Any language, methods or function, same thing is. Some C++ they used to call function. In Java, it is called method. Funda is same. For that, couple of lectures are there. Only 2 lectures are there hardly. That we need to take. Full day session will be there. One shot I'll complete. But as of now, I'm proceeding with operators in Java. Then I'll move to the next topic, methods. Shall I proceed now? Pakka? Okay. And one more type of code is, scenario is there. That is taking the data from the user. What does it mean? I'll ask user, enter the number. User will enter them. As of now, we are only taking the values. Are you getting my point? Are we interacting with user at all? No, we have to learn about user interactive programming. Agree? These are the 2 next topics apart from operators. Are you getting my point? As of now, operators, then methods and interacting with the user. These are the things we need to learn moving forward. Agree? Shall I start with operators? Shall I start? Online folks, are you ready? So basically, close your eyes. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you, guys. Shall I proceed? So, what is an operator, sir? Definition wise, a special symbol meant for doing a specific operation, a task. Write down. Center heading operators in Java. Write down operators in Java. Operators in Java. Definition: special symbols, some special symbols which have some special symbols which have some special symbols which have specific meaning defined. Specific meaning defined. The specific meaning predefined. Specific meaning predefined, which have specific meaning predefined for a particular task. For a particular task. For a particular task. For a particular task in bracket operation. For a particular task, operation. For a particular task or operation. Am I clear? Everybody? Done? Now let's focus. Pay attention now. Wait a minute. Let me ask you this. Since you know very well 10 plus 20. What is this plus? Plus is a special symbol. Actually, this is doing arithmetic addition if I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong. Agree? It's doing what? Arithmetic addition. Answer is 30 will come. Agree? What you did? Left hand side something is there, right hand side something is there. You added and generated the output. Agree? This is how it is. So the symbol, this special symbol is what? Nothing but called operator. Agree? And what about these two things, sir? They are value, they are data on which you are performing the operation. Are you with me? Are you are doing addition on what? Something should be, some value should be, some data should be there. Agree? Directly value or within the variable. Agree? These are technically called as operand. Operands. Operands on which data, on which operation is being performed. What operation is being performed? Operator will tell. What operation is being performed? Operator will tell. This operation is being performed on what? Operands. Are you with me? Take this diagram. I mean, take this, make a note of it. Then write down definition of operator you wrote. Write down about operand. 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 Done. Online folks, are you all comfortable? Everybody, quick response. Faster, faster. Online folks, everybody. What does it mean by operand, operator? Is that clear to you guys? Faster. Hello, I'm waiting. Guys, quickly respond. Chaliye, moving forward. Write down about operand. Operand, operands, write down. Operands are the value slash data. Value slash data. Value slash data on which a particular operation, on which a particular operation, on which a particular operation is being performed, on which a particular operation is being performed, on which a particular operation is being performed, on which a particular operation is being performed. Write down next center heading, type of operators. Write down type of operators. Type of operators, center heading. Sir, type of operators, if I need to tell you, see, classification of operators can be done in many ways. I am doing based on the number of operands. What do you mean by number of operands? Say, for example, if you see plus, in order to do addition, how many minimum value required? Minimum. 2 values required. Exactly 2 values required. Agree na? Am I right? With one plus symbol, at least 2 value, exactly 2 values required. Agree? That is called binary operator because it requires 2 operands. Sir, what if there is an operator? Suppose there is an operator which requires only one operand, then unary. What if there is an operator which requires 3 operands, then ternary? Am I right? So classification wise, one is called unary, second one is called binary, third one is called ternary. Any other? No, that's enough. Binary, unary, unary, binary, ternary. Are you getting my point? Quickly make a note of it. And take a side heading called unary operator in Java. Unary operators in Java. Make a note of this. And above this one line or here one line, write down. Make a note of it, then I'll tell you. After this diagram also, you can make a note of it, one line. Classification of operators. Classification of operators based on classification of operators based on classification of operators based on the number of arguments. Number of arguments. Classification of operators based on the number of arguments. Sorry, not arguments, operands. My bad. I mean, slip of tongue. based on the number of operands. How many are there? 3 are there. First one, unary. And don't need to tell you, unary operators are the operators those who work on only one. Yeah, fatafat. Unary operators are the operators those who work only on one operand. Operators those who work on only one operand. Those who work only on one operand. Agree? So in case of unary operator, how many are there? We need to study. Agree? Able to understand what I'm telling? Operators define what operation, what task needs to be done. Agree? How many are there? Based on the number of operands, we have classified in 3 ways. Binary, ternary. Unary means 1 operand, 2 operand, 3 operand. Agree? We are talking about unary where only 1 operand is in. Operand means value, data, variable. Agree? Only 1 is required. How many are there? 4 are there. Shall we start? First, we will explore all of this. Then we'll explore all of this. This, in order to understand this, you need to understand the concept of if else. Conditioning statement we need to learn, selection statement we need to learn, then we'll get back to this. Are you getting my point? This will come, but after a few days. As of now, shall I proceed? Sure. I am sure you would have written a definition of unary. Then write down types of unary operators. And let me proceed with the next thing. Online folks, I hope all of you are pretty much clear and comfortable. Everybody quickly respond in chat. Faster. Sorry. Wait a minute. I'll correct it. I was supposed to switch off the lights. By mistake, I switched off the camera and projection. Okay. Is screen visible, guys? Quickly confirm in chat. Is the screen visible? Is the screen visible? All the folks. Quickly respond in chat. Is the screen visible? Quick. I hope yes. Yes? Visible? No problem. This is not yet started. I'm waiting for the projector to start. We'll start in a moment. Let the projector start up. Just a minute. Chaliye. Since projector has started finally, we are ready to move forward. with 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 unary operator. I hope the screen is visible to all of you. Agree? Shall I move forward? So unary also called as increment or decrement operator. One type of unary operators are called increment operators. In increment operators, there are two: pre-increment, post-increment. Agree? The pre-increment, post-increment, what is the difference, sir? Pay attention. Difference is operand A is coming after. Operator is coming first. If operator is coming first, pre. If operator is coming C after the operand. ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. No problem. Shall I focus now? So post increment means operator is coming after the operand. Pre increment means operator is coming before the operand. Operand is what? A. A holds some value. Array yaar, come on. A is a variable. Hold some variable. Agree? Variable holds some value, and before the value operator is coming, then pre increment. Incrementation means what? Increment by one value. If double plus is there, then only that operator is there. Which one? Unary operator. Unary operator means double the symbol. Plus plus means increment by one. Agree? Minus minus means decrement by one. In that case, are you telling, sir, increment are two: pre-increment, post-increment? So decrement also will be two types. Agree? Pre-decrement, post-decrement. Agree? Can you see the answer? Operators also? I mean, I would say. Can you see this now? Clear? Signs are clear? Both. If you are really confident, can I give you a few scenarios where I'll start explaining one after other? Are you ready? In that case, first close your notebooks. I have to explain you something really, really important. And today's class is something extremely important. Please, online folks, humble request to each one of you. Focus, extremely important. We are getting into the discussion now. And moreover, one of the popular interview questioning based on the programming will be discussed from what we are going to discuss. Possibility is there. So one of the little tricky questions are there, but I ensure you, if you focus for half an hour, you will be super happy and you can easily handle. Aram se. Those who have already learned CSIS people, right? You know what is pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement, yes or no? For them, not for non-CSI. Those who are learning for programming first time, relax. People, those who already have idea, can I give one chotu task? Will you try? Array, increment, decrement, we know, yaar. Come on. Shall I? Suppose two variables are there. Int a equal to 10, comma, b equal to 20. Are you getting my point? See, if I need to declare multiple variables of same type, then comma separation can be used. A is the value here, b is value here. Agree? Two variables declared a and b. A is 10, b is 20. Am I clear? Sir, can I say b? So forget about 20. B is not value as of now. B equal to, look at the question. And you need to tell me the answer if you can attempt. If you cannot attempt, then we will learn like. Read with me. Okay, sir. What a small expression. Can you solve it? Super confident. I can easily solve it. Start. 2 minutes given. Online folks, if you are interested to try, most welcome, guys. If you can't try, leave it. No problem. We'll discuss. Sir, I'm learning for first time. Array, I'm not explaining. I'll ensure this program, whatever is written. As of now, make a note of it. All of you. Make a note of it. What answer is coming? We don't know right now. Let's learn unary operators. Then we will talk here. Come on. Quick. 2 minutes time given. Quickly complete those who can complete. Rest, relax. Equal to 10, A is equal to 11. Any other answer? Have you mutually done or individually you have done? Everybody have the same answer? Yes. What's your answer? Online folks, have you done? You have no. No problem. If not done, let's not waste time. Shall I proceed now? Anna, no mutual discussion, please. In interview, your friend is not gonna come, na? Agree? Then close your notebooks. Let's get started. Shall I proceed now? All eyes here. Close your notebooks first. And keep notebooks, laptop away and with free mindset and listen loud and clear responses I need. Super high energy I want. Are you ready? Are you ready? Funda simple and straight, guys. Let me do one thing. I'll divide into the 4 parts, one by one. All the pre-increment, pre-decrement, pre-increment, pre-decrement, post-increment, post-decrement, one by one. So both the increment I'll complete. Both the. Shall I? 1 minute. Just a minute, guys. Okay. Shall we proceed now? So basically, pay attention, silence, and pay attention. every example, I'll take one variable. Int a equal to 10. So many examples we are going to discuss for this int a equal to 10. Sir, if I say pre-incrementation, okay, then if I try to print SOP value, what is the value gonna come? We will discuss this first. SOP of A, what is the value come? If I say pre-decrement, suppose int a equal to 10, if I say minus minus A, if I say SOP of A, what is the value? If I say int a equal to 10, then I say A plus plus, and I say SOP of A, what is the value? Then I say int A equal to 10, A minus minus, then I say SOP of A, what is the value? Agree? Am I right? This is what we need to figure out. A, 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 A. Agree? Am I right? This is the way to print the value of a variable without the double quotes. Agree? Shall I proceed now? Focus, pay attention now. Most important. Sir, this increment operator, whether it is pre or post, both the increment operator will increment the value by 1. Agree? So this actually written what? A equal to A plus 1. Arey yaar. Am I right? This one, A equal to A minus 1. How about this one? A equal to A plus 1. How about this one? A equal to A minus 1. Arey yaar. Increment will increment, decrement will decrement, increment will decrement. Am I right? No confusion. Okay, sir. In this case, value 11, sir. How about here, sir? How about here? How about here? Sir, if you observe, both the places increments are giving. What value? What are the values? Decrements are giving values. Then what is the difference between pre-increment or post-increment? Both are giving what value? Pre-increment 11. Am I right? Post-increment 11. Agree? Pre-decrement giving what value? 9. Post-decrement giving what value? Then what is the difference between pre and post? Increment operator incrementing by 1, decrement operator decrementing by 1. Agree? This, there is no difference if you are doing only one operation at a time. Let me tell you what will happen. Shall I move to the next? Fatafat. Rapid fast you should be now. Rapid fast. And by the way, just now I got a call. And let me update you something super important. By the way, are you interested to listen? So before you make a note, let me give you 2 minutes of attention, please. Okay, listen carefully. There is a company, I mean, in V stand for you, often keep going the many drives continuously. As soon as you join, drives are there for you. You are eligible for a drive. You can attend interviews. If you get the job, join. Are you getting my point? If you are a registered student of a V stand for you. So recently one of the drive came, which is really good. Company name is Interactive Brokers. Company name is that. It is looking for a backend developer and full stack developer. Salary 12 LPA. Pressure. And job location is Mumbai. Although interview mode will be virtual. Virtual means you understand? Online you will need to attend. If you clear interviews, then joining is in Mumbai. Package. If you think you are ready, apply for it. Sir, just now started the batch. I'm not really confident. Think about it, get ready, join it. If you feel, I know a little bit, attend the interview. Sir, if I attend interview, I cannot crack the interview. Nobody is going to come and shoot you, yaar. Attend the interview. If you crack it, you'll get the job. If you didn't crack it, wait for the next interview, attend for next time. Series of drives are there, attend as many as you want. Unless you get your job, satisfactory job, keep attending the drives. One of the good opportunity came for a fresher. 12 LP is a pretty good package. Not enough, huh? Not enough, huh? You want more? Dil mange more, sir. Bhaiya, good opportunity came. Those who are registered, by the way, eligible for only registered candidates. Those who came for time pass, 5 days, 10 days, not for them. Those who are serious about career, those who are registered with vSTAND for you, for them is that competition only within the vSTAND for you. Hardly 40-50 people are there. If you are one of the good developer, got the job. Try your luck. It doesn't affect it all. If you can't clear, no issues. Nobody gonna come and shout you and all. Can't crack it, let's okay. Check your eligibility criteria. Are you eligible? If you are eligible and you are interested to work for Mumbai location, then only apply. Sir, everything done, I got the offer letter. No, sir, I will work from Bangalore only. Then why did you apply? You are burning others' opportunity. Don't do that. If you are interested to work in that location, whatever terms and conditions are there, detail will be given to you from Parshuram sir. I hope you know him. Else call to the helpline number of vSTAND for you. Ask for Parshuram sir number. They'll give you. Am I clear? If you are interested, don't miss this opportunity. Please. Very good opportunity is there. And at a fresher level, not much questioning will happen. Similarly, at your college level also, how much did they ask? Tell me the inheritance full form. How many type of inheritance are there? What are those principles are there? Basic questions. If you answer it, life set. Monthly 1 lakh rupee you'll get. Seriously? I mean, chalo, tax deduction also 80, 85, at least worst case, 85, 90 or something that you'll be getting. What will you do this much money, ra? Huh? Half of salary is mine, Ray. I'm telling you now. You join the batch, immediately you get 12 lakhs. Something, at least 1 month salary. By the way, wanna attend interview, not attend interview? First salary mine. Pakka? Chalo, worst case, sweet is minimum. Party. Pakka? Wherever I say. Chalo. Apply and crack the interview. If not this one, at least one of them. I mean, I don't want to see you jobless even after the course. Way before the course complete, all of you should have offer letter. Am I clear? People, those who are registered only for. Done? Shall I wipe it? And those of you are not registered, wait, let others attend interview, get the job. After that, you realize. We want less competition, as less as possible. Even if one candidate is not coming, good. Don't apply for the job, Ra. Probability of me getting job is more. See, I always say, people say that, may God bless everybody. I am also agreeing with that. But why don't you start with me? First, let me get the job. Let the whole world get the job. Any problem? If you are interested, apply. Don't waste time. Shall I move to the next scenario? Sir, next question is simple and straight, where I'm taking another variable. What? Arey, come on. What is the value of B? There is no value of B I'm giving right now. Are you getting my point? Am I clear? Now pay attention. I'm saying what? Next. I'm saying, sir, B equal to plus plus A. Arey yaar, pre-incrementation. Agreed. Pre-decrementation. B equal to minus minus A. Yes or no? Post incrementation. Yes or no? B equal to A minus minus. Here, B equal to minus minus A. Am I right? Oh, sorry, sir. My A minus minus, huh? अब तो ठीक है? यार, sure. Shall I proceed now? Now the game will change. I expect you to focus more now. Let me explain the entire thing. Arey yaar, who will write system dot? If I write SOP, hope you understand. New people, arey हाँ यार, few people new might have joined today. Online, anybody joined new? Day 1, sir. Type I in chat. Let me see. Sorry, yaar, I could not interact with you. I actually came in flow and continued. Anybody joined new? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Anybody there? New? Online folks? Not a single person is responding. I see a couple of names are there, those who joined for the day 1. Amit, you there? Hello, hello? Guys, am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
One person, Sumant, has joined us the first day. Welcome, Sumant. Few lectures have happened, man. I hope you'll get the recording soon and you'll practice, watch it, understand everything. If you have issue, ensure after the class, like today, we'll end the class. At that time, I'll be waiting for online students to address the doubts. That time you can ask them. Recordings are there for previous lectures. Hardly few lectures happened. Watch it like a web series, complete, fatafat, and practice. Most important. Okay, remaining people. Can we discuss? Focus now. Close your notebooks. Sir, this is written B equal to, which means प्लस ए मीन्स A+1 यार तुम लोग सीधा आंसर पे मत आओ सब में आंसर नहीं आएगा सेम भाई what you learned that time only one variable was there you remember this was not there that time everywhere 11 11 9 9 now it will not happen like that else why am I discussing with you there is some twist is there focus close your notebooks and very important if you understand this many combinations are gonna come you will understand everything if you miss this you will get stuck anywhere. Agree? Moving forward. Plus A means over here B equal to A minus 1. B equal to A plus C. Incrementation means +1. Decrementation means -1. Agree? Whether it is pre or post, same thing. Agree? Moving forward, sir. Pay attention now. Sir, if you are talking about which one? Pre or post? Pre-incrementation. Pre-operators. Pre-incrementation or pre-decrementation. Both are pre here. Agree? Pre-incrementation or pre-decrementation. Both says what? First, calculate this. What? If pre-incrementation is there, first you do the incrementation part. Am I clear? Let me explain. Pre-incrementation says first you increment, then you do anything else. What do you mean by anything else? If you observe, sir, B equal to 10 if I write. Don't you think this 10 value is assigned into the variable B? B equal to 10 is what? 10 is being assigned into B. Arey yaar. You are not getting my point. Int B equal to 10 if I say, what is am I saying? Take the value 10. See here also what I said. Take the value 10, put it into A. B, there is no value given. I'm giving the value now. Are you getting my point? What does this equal to symbol does? What does this equal to symbol? This equal to symbol is actually called as wait a minute. B equal to 10, where this value 10 is being assigned into the variable B, and this what? This is called as the assignment operator. What is it called? Assignment operator. What does it do, sir? It takes the value from RHS, put it into the, I repeat, take the value from RHS, put it into the LHS. That is the job of a assignment operator. Take the value from take the value from RHS, put it into the, agree? Am I clear? No confusion? Shall I wipe it? Sir, in that case, if you actually observe at this line, there are two operations are happening. Let me help you. One is incrementation. Another is, how many operations are happening? One is, other one is, agree? Sir, in this case, if pre-incrementation is there, in that case, incrementation will happen first. Are you getting my point? If pre-incrementation means first you increment, then you assign. Are you with me? Am I right? Pre-increment means first increment, then assign. Am I right? Agree? In that case, what is the current value of A, sir? Current value of A is 10 plus 1. If I do incrementation, then this value will become. Then assignment will happen, B equal to 11. Are you with me? So B value became what? What? Agree? Am I right? If here I say SOP of, here if I say A and B, A value is what? Are you getting my point? B value is also. Agree? Shall I proceed now? Let me explain once again. Pay attention. Very important. I am explaining again and again. I expect you to focus. Very important. It will come again and again. Listen, sir. B equal to pre-incrementing A. Pre-increment A means, sir, first thing it means B equal to A plus 1. Any increment operator, pre or post, they will do incrementation by 1. Agree? If it is pre-incrementation, then first you increment. This is first. Then do the assignment later. Agree? Okay, sir. And let me help you with this so that you'll get better clarity. A and B. At this line, what is the value of A? 10 is given over. What is the value of B? Nothing. Here also nothing. Agree? Am I clear? Then you come to this line. B equal to A plus A means B equal to A plus 1. Agree? Where pre-incrementation, post-incrementation? Pre-incrementation means first you increment. A plus 1 becomes. Agree? What is the value of A? Plus 1 becomes. Agree? Am I right? A value became 11. Agree? Okay, sir. A value became 11. Done. This value 11 you are storing in where? B. That is the second operation. Yes or no? So B will be initialized with A value. A value, if I print over here, A value is array yaar. A value, B value. Are you getting my point? Everybody, once again, pay attention for pre-decrementation. Shall I proceed now? Able to understand? Pay attention now. In this case, I am taking again how many variables? First, value. B, value. Agree? Sir, when I am saying B equal to minus A, pre-incrementation, post-incrementation. Sir, pre-decrementation is happening, which means B equal to A minus 1. Sir, what will I do first? Assignment first or decrementation first? Since pre-decrementation, you do the decrementation first, then you do the assignment. What is the current value of A? The current value of A, 10. Minus 1 will make it. Minus 1 will make it 9. This value 9 will be assigned into B is initialized with. Are you with me? Am I clear? If I print SOP of A or SOP of B, can you please help me the values right now? Ready? Sir, A is what? A is B is Pakka. Am I clear? Shall I move to the next one? Shall I? Ready? Can I say pre-incrementation, pre-decrementation, both are absolutely clear to me. Are you ready? Clear 100%? Raise your hand, fatafat. Pakka? Now, pay attention. Post-decrementation. Are you with me? In this case, how many variables are there? What are those? A, B. A value is what? B value? Nothing. Agree? You are telling post incrementation. So what should I do first? Incrementation or assignment? Post decrementation means, post means after, pre means first. Arey yaar. Post means after. Post decrementation means do the decrementation after. Are you with me? So what should I do first? Assignment. Are you with me? First, what you will do? Then you will do the incrementation. Am I right? Everybody clear? Sir, what am I supposed to assign? Whatever is the current value of A. What is the current value of A? Current value of A. So B will initialize with. Okay. I repeat. Post decrementation will do what? Decrementation later. First, assignment. What is the current value of A? I assigned to B. B became. Am I clear? Everybody, no confusion in that case. Sir, did you do the incrementation still? I have done the assignment. Yes or no? But did I increment the value of A yet? Did I increment it already? Did I solve this one? No. I haven't solved. This will solve first assignment done. But did I solve this? No. Shall I solve it? A plus 1 will become. So A value is. B value is. Are you getting my point, everybody? Sir, funda is simple. If post incrementation means first you do assignment, decrementation, I mean incrementation will happen later. Getting my point? Everybody, first you do assignment. Current value of A, 10 will be assigned to B. B becomes clear. But did you do the incrementation part? Should I do it? Yes, sir. So A will be incremented to, sorry, B. A will be incremented to 11. Agree, na? Am I clear? Any confusion? But did you observe one thing? This is also incrementation. Even this is also. Here A value is. Here A value is. Obviously, here also 11 and 10 is there, right? A value 11, A value 11. B value here. That is the difference between pre and post incrementation. Are you getting my point? Everybody clear? Sir, how about post decrementation? This is also left over, na? Again, total how many operations are there in this line? 2 operations. One is decrementation. Which one should I do first? First you do assignment. Agree? This is your first operation. Second operation is decrementation. Agree? What is the current value of A, sir? So A was already 10, B was nothing. P will be initialized with. Agree? Did you complete the decrementation part? Shall I decrement? A becomes, if I print SOP of A, SOP of B, can you please help me? What are the values gonna be coming? A is what? A is, B is, am I right? Over here, check. 9. Am I right? Quickly make a note of it. We have to practically implement this one. Fatafat. Faster. Online folks, are you comfortable? Ditesh, if you have a issue, man, type in chat, please. Ditesh, if you have a concern, please type in chat and ask. Other online folks, are you comfortable? Able to understand this much? Quick, respond in chat. Are you clear? Good. People, those who are not responding, guys, you have to respond. Okay, Ditesh. I guess by mistake you would have clicked on raise hand. Comfortable, each one of you. Difference between pre and post. Faster. I guess online folks, you are taking photographs. That is also acceptable, no problem. Provided you are making notes by yourself. I trust you for that. Shall I start wiping? First part is done, na? Second one also done. Third one done. Third one done. Done. Shall I proceed? So let me create a class unary operators demo. Am I right? Agree? Okay, sir. Over here, I say what? Public static void main. Am I right? Inside the main, I'll have string array of args. Then comes Let me take a variable int a equal to 10, b equal to nothing. Agree? Then I'm saying what? B equal to, first you do the incrementation. Am I right? Then I'm saying what? System dot out dot print ln, because the value of a is equal to plus of a. Agree? Then value of b is equal to b. Am I right? Okay, sir. Let me copy the name and save it like this. Am I right? Wait a minute. Perfectly saved, huh? Let me check it. Have I saved where? Batch 03 am I saving? Sorry, let me save it as in our batches 4, na? Here I should be saving it. And I should be opening into this only. Other one, let me exit. Over here, if the screen is visible, let me do one thing, set. Because every time I have to do this, na? Am I right? By the way, as per your calculation, what is the value coming, guys? If I do pre-incrementation, then A is, B is also. Are you sure? Shall we check it? Let me save the code and I'll do one thing for our concern purpose. I'll do close all the left. Done. Only one code is there. Agree? Let me say execute. A is 11, B is 11, done. No confusion in case of pre-incrementation. Am I clear? Okay, sir. Let me do one thing, sir. If pre-incrementation is done, pre-decrementation. First, A will be decremented to 9. Then it will be assigned. Agree? A is 9, B is 9. Agree? So, if I compile and execute again, A is 9, B is 9. Clear? No confusion. Check your notes. Am I right? Sure? Okay, sir. In that case, can I say, sir, pre-incrementation is done. How about post-incrementation? What do you say? Post-incrementation will do what first? Assignment. Current value is what? 10 will be assigned to B. B becomes 10. Then did you do the incrementation yet? Nah. You have done only assignment. Agree? Then A will be incremented to. A is 11. B. Are you sure? Let me quickly compile and execute. Correct. A is 11 has been incremented, but B assigned with the existing current value which is not incremented. Agree? Sure. Same answer is there in your notes. Agree? Behind the screen, what concept is there? Is that clear to each one of you? Concept is clear? Okay, sir. Online folks, how about you guys? Quickly respond in chat. Then what is the next over, sir? Post. In this case, first assignment, current value of A is B initialized with 10. Agree? First assign the current value. A's current value is what? Assign the current value, that is 10. So B becomes, but did you do the decrementation yet? So A becomes, A is 9, B is, shall I check? Pakka? Am I right? Agree? Quickly, shall I proceed now? Sure? Chaliye. Shall I stop this sharing? Program anyway, you made a note of it, na? Answers are coming same. Sure? Shall I move to the next level? Okay, quick. Close your eyes, guys. Chaliye. So let me start and move to the next level now. Till now we have done what? 1 operation, right? Let me add few more operation on top of it. Shall we start? Pay attention. What is the first thing we are taking, sir? We are taking a variable int a equal to, louder, b nothing. Then b equal to plus a plus a. Multiple can I do? Possible, na? Once again, int a equal to, अरे यार, b equal to minus minus a plus minus minus a. Are you clear? Then int a equal to 10 comma b nothing. Then b equal to a plus 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 a plus plus. Are you getting my point? Then over here int a equal to 10, b equal to nothing. Are you with me, guys? Everybody focus. Clear? Then b equal to a minus minus plus a minus minus. Agree? Then at the end, what should I do, sir? Over here, print the SOP of a. Arey, yes or no? SOP of b. Here also. Sir, where is a and b? Arey, it is coming. SOP of a, SOP of b. Here also SOP of a, SOP of b. Chaliye, let me write down the variables a, b. Different colors are there now. Who will be keep changing the markers? Chalega? Program is clear. Start evaluating along with me by closing your notebooks. Fatapat, all set. Online folks, are you all ready? Quickly respond in chat, faster. Quick. Everybody. Everybody is not responding. Each one of you have to respond faster. Waiting only for your responses, guys. Can't wait more. Shall I start? Sir, you are telling b equal to plus plus a plus 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 a. Let me solve this first, then I'll solve that. Agree? So you are actually telling, sir, b equals to a equal to a plus 1. Come on. This much is what? Am I right? Then plus a as it is. I am not touching it. Are you getting my point? Arey yaar, plus a means what? Increment the value of a. What? A equal to a plus 1. Am I right? Agree? My question. Sir, pre-incrementation or post-incrementation? Which one is this? Pre or post? Pre-incrementation is there. Agree? If pre-incrementation is there, first should I increment or first should I assign? First is increment. This is my first operation. How about this one, sir? Second operation. First you increment the value of a. What is the value of a right now? Are you getting my point? Let me take the two variables. A is assigned with b. A is assigned as 10. B, nothing is there. Fine. Over when you are saying, sir, first you increment. Current value of A is increment to. Okay, sir. 11 done, sir. Am I right? No confusion. What you became? This one entirely. When you calculated a plus 1, this became entirely. Arey, yes or no? This 11 will be assigned to whom? Are you getting my point? See, this entire expression evaluated, then the value of b will be assigned. Entire operation have two parts. First, I am talking now. Agree? In that, two operations, increment, assignment. Which one first? Increment, because it is pre-increment operator. First, increment. Then incremented value, assign. Are you getting my point? Agree? After incrementation, A became, this 11 value has to be assigned to, am I right? So 11 has been assigned to A. Done. That means for further calculation, A value will be considered as 11. Agree? But did I evaluate this part? No, it is still not done, right? So if you don't mind, shall I start the second half of the operation? First half, answer is 11. Done. Clear? Shall I move? Okay, sir. Moving forward. Now this one is what? Sir, this one plus A as it is there. Come on. Then 11 is as it is. This one should become A equal to A plus 1. Yes or no? Sir, two operation again. Yes or no? Which one first? First you do the incrementation. Second you do the assignment. Agree? Sir, if I do the first incrementation, what is the current value of A? Current value is A, 11 plus 1. This entire value became, should be assigned to, but this is already 11 is there. Hope you know. 11 plus 12 will be the assignment of, array, yeah, come on, B equal to, कर लो भैया कैलकुलेट, बताओ 20 कैसे हुआ, 11 plus 12, 20. अरे huge round of applause for all of you champions. 11 plus 12 becomes 20, sir. Pakka. So B value is, A value, you assigned last what? Last what you assigned? Are you getting my point? So A is, B is, shall I try now? Next one. Ready? Okay, sir. Let me start. And if you don't mind, can I take the variables this area for explanation purpose? Space is little less. A is assigned with, A assigned with, B, nothing is over here. This entire expression is actually written B is equal to A is equal to A minus 1 plus minus minus A. We will discuss later. Agree? In this, again, two operations. First, decrementation, then assignment. First, you decrement current value of A by 10 will become 10 now. 10 minus 1, that is 9. Agree? What is gonna be assigned? A will be assigned what? Here 90. Am I clear? Plus minus minus as it is, B equal to as it is. Agree? Am I right? Sir, in that case, 9 is as it is plus. This is becoming A equal to A minus 1. Pre or post? Pre means first decrement, then, am I right? Sir, if I current value, if I check of A, what is the current value of A? 9 minus 1. Decremented value is, that will be assigned to A. Agree? So in that case, are you telling B equal to 9 plus 8? Are you with me? 9 plus 8. A is what value right now? Are you with me, guys? Everybody? Clear? No confusion? Sure? Then let me talk about this one now. Shall I? I'll do the calculation here. Okay, na? Chaliye, sir. In that case, by the way, before I proceed, how about online folks? Are you understanding? Each one of you respond in chat. There is no point of moving forward if online people are not getting. Guys, are you getting my point? Everybody, one people has responded. Quick, 2, 3, fast, fast, fast. 3, then only 3 people. Only 3 people have responded. Everybody else. Guys, faster. Quick, 4, others. Others, quick. Respond faster, guys. 5, next. Total 12 people are there. 11 people are there. Remaining. Each one of you faster. I'm waiting for your response. Good. And I read extremely fast responses from your end. Am I clear? All of you, am I clear? Respond quick. Chaliye, let's get started. Shall I move to the next one? A is what value, sir? Over here I'm asking. B is what value, sir? Agree? A is 10. Done? Sir, first what you are evaluating? B equal to A equal to A plus 1. Am I right? This A plus plus as it is. Am I right? Sir, here how many operations are there? 2 operations. First one. First you do assignment. Second you do increment. Array yaar. Post incrementation means increment will be at the last. First assignment. Agree? Sir, my current value of A is 1. Then further operation 10 will be considered. First mistake everybody do in the post incrementation or post decrementation. They increment, decrement after they take the value. always take the existing value. What is the existing value? Because first what you are doing, assignment. You will do assignment on the current value. Current value is of A. So for further calculation, A will be considered as 10. But did I do this part? I have to increment. I have to increment. Which variable value I will increment? A value. So A has been incremented. But sir, you have taken 10. Yes. The assignment has happened with the existing value, which was not incremented. Agree? But if I print value of A, will come 11. Am I clear? Everybody pay attention in case of post incrementation or decrementation. First, current value you consider. Then don't forget to increment. These are the two slippery points. First, take the current value for further calculation. Arey yaar, we have not done this calculation. Na? Consider current value. Don't forget to the increment also. Am I clear? Sir, this value as it is A plus plus, yes or no? Am I right? Agree? Now pay attention. This 10 is as it is plus. What is this? Pre or post? So A equal to A plus 1. What should I do first? Increment or assignment? Okay, assignment of A first. Are you getting my point? Then you are telling do the incrementation later. Agree? Sir, my question is, what is the current value of A, sir? Current value of A, 10 or 11? Current value is, that value will be assigned to A. Are you with me? That means for further calculation, current value 11 will be used. This was already. But did I do the incrementation part yet? So are you telling increment to? Are you with me? Here, B equal to A value. Agree? See, in incrementation, A value here also tell. Here also. But in case of pre-incrementation, value is here. There is a difference. Are you getting my point, everybody? Practically show you. Don't worry. We will discuss and practically also implement. Are you understanding the concept, how it is being incrementing or decrementing? Everybody, quick. Now, let's proceed. Shall I wipe it? Pakka. Ready? Sir, post. For this, I'll do one thing. I'll take variables here, if you don't mind. A and B, come on. A is B, nothing. Over here, can you tell me what should I write? B equal to A minus 1 plus A minus minus. Agree? Visible, huh? Visible, very much visible. Thank you. Pay attention now. Sir, again, if you see two operation, one is assignment, one is first one. What should I do? First you do assignment, then you do the decrementation. Assignment means current value of A. Current value of A is, so B equal to 10. But did I do the decrementation? Did I do decrementation? No. First assignment done, then 11 or 9. Clear? All eyes here. Always. Next, 10 value considered, but after decrementing, 9 value became of A. Agree? Sir, remaining half, did I evaluate it yet? No, sir. This is A minus minus as it is. Agree? Now, B equal to 10 as it is, plus this will become A equal to A minus 1. Agree? Now focus. Again, two operation. First is, then, agree. First is assignment, then is decrementation. What are you going to assign? What is the current value of A? What is the current value of A, sir? So you are going to assigning 9. But did you do the decrementation? So after decrementation, A value will become, are you getting my point? And what was already written over here? B equal to 10 plus. Arey yaar, yes or no? This 10 plus was there, you considered 9. So B equal to A is, B is, quickly make a note of it, we'll practice. Fatapat. Ready? Understanding? Or am I going too fast? are very difficult to cope up. Online folks, are you comfortable? Quickly respond in chat. Faster. Each one of you have to respond this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full comfortable. Are very good, Sumantra. Very good. Others. Others. Yet everybody had not responded. Good. One person already left it. This guy is too furious. I can't manage with him. Good, 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 Amit. Chaliye. By the way, one more thing, especially online folks, see my handwriting are little doctor type handwriting. Is it readable? Honestly speaking, is it readable? Are you able to understand? And if confusion is that, let me do a little beautification for you so that there is no confusion will be there for you people. Because here khichpich is happening now. Let me wipe these values, you'll get the clarity. I don't want you to get confused unnecessarily. Take your time, no hurry. I'll wait for 2 minutes more. No problem. Two more person left. Who is talking? Mute yourself. Shall I have the third one? Done? No. Completed. Done? Let me wipe the board. By the way, need a break or comfortable? Comfortable? No headache? And in afternoon batch, when I asked no headache, people responded no, Arun sir. So that means I am headache for them. For them. People are so funny. Your seniors. Shall I move? Screen visible to everybody? We are actually focusing what? What concept we are focusing? We are focusing what if I have multiple unary operators in the same operation? Agree. First operation, value. Notebook, pass, check. What is there with calculation? Pardon? 12 and? Correct? No confusion? Understanding is clear. Pakka? Okay, sir. Then let me comment out and, oops, sorry. Then pre-decrementation is there somewhere? Yes or no? Answer. A is A is sorry, wait a minute. Ayo. A is 8, B is correct. See, we are typing the code just to re-ensure everything is correct as per our understanding or not. It should not happen that we are understanding something else, Java is saying something else. Just to re-ensure, I'm showing you that. Agree? But writing that this code is no complicated for you now. Agree? Okay, sir. If that is the case, what do I say about this one? Post incrementation. A value is B value 12 and 21. Am I right? Okay, sir. How about this one? Post decrementation. Post decrementation 8 and 19. Done? Absolutely clear. No confusion at all. In that case, shall I add a little more? Are you ready? Pakka? Chaliye. Close your eyes, front row. Chaliye. I mean, I'm really sorry for this. Yeah, this will keep happening. Switch on, switch off. Every time, close your eyes, open your eyes. Wake up, sleep down. Madam, whomever is this person who has switched on your camera, first of all, rename yourself and don't switch on the camera, please. Let's focus. Shall I move? Very good. Yeah. Just a moment. We'll start, guys. Online folks. Let me refill my ink. I mean, marker ink. We'll start. Just a moment. Not my ink. By the way, do I really need to refill my energy or I'm pretty much energized? Required or energized? Energized? How about you? Do you need energy or you are also pretty much ready? Ready, na? Two more rounds will happen. Two already done, two more will happen. Are you ready? Oh, there is no holy hell. Just 2 minutes, let me refill my ink. Marker ink रे. शब्दों पे मत जाओ, भावनाओं को समझो. चलो, let's proceed. चलिए. Let's get started. Sir, this time I'm taking one thing. I mean, since area is little short, if you don't mind, can I write one by one? You'll not get confused, right? Sir, if I'm telling int a is equal to 10, b is nothing. If I'm telling b equal to plus plus a plus a plus a, are you having any issue? 4 times I wrote this time. Are you comfortable? Shall I calculate? Ready? Sure. Funda is simple, straightforward. Close your notebooks. Fatafat. Sir, this will be written as a equal to a plus 1. Remaining as it is, I am not making note of it. Hope you agree. Agree, obviously, plus symbol is there in between. This one, pre or post? Pre or post? Pre. In case of pre, first, then. Agree? So if you first increment, let me take some variable, say a is here and say b is here. Am I right? A value already. First, what you're gonna do? First you increment, A value becomes 12 will be. Am I right? Arey yaar, 11 is there. Typing mistake. Come on. Hey yaar. Pakka. A has been incremented to assigned also. Am I right? No confusion. So are you telling me, sir, this equation entirely became what? 11 plus plus A plus plus A. Am I right? This one 11 plus A equal to A plus 1. This one plus A as it is. Agree? Sir, in this case, first incrementation, second assignment. Agree, because pre-incrementation is there. Agree? In that case, A is current value 11 plus 1. This 12 is assigned to. So A became. Agree? No confusion. So are you telling me, sir, now this entire expression has become 11 plus 12 plus plus A. This plus A is actually became what? A equal to A plus 1. This is clear. Okay, sir. Current value of A 12 is there, sir. But if you observe, first operation should be incrementation. Second operation should be assignment. First you do incrementation to 12. That will become what should be assigned to A. Agree. After incrementation, 13 has been assigned to A. So A has became. Agree. So are you telling me, sir, already 11 plus 12 was there plus this is entirely 13. Add 30. So this is 36 will be assigned to where? B is equal to 36. B is A is. Make a note. One shot I'll explain all of them. Let me complete fatafat. And little fast. We are running out of time actually. Actually, you should be making note of this much. Rest you should do evaluation by yourself and then compare your calculation, my calculation matches or not. Online folks, are you comfortable? Nagaraja, good. Others? Others? Taklin, good. Others? Good. Ditesh, Janu, Sumant, good. Amit, good. Others? Still people are there. Suvarna, you there? Suman, you there? Suvarna and Suman, are you there? Sumant is there. Suman. Done? Wipe it. Shall I start? This time. Pre-decrementation, na? Tell me then, B equal to plus. Is that okay if I do calculation and you also do calculation? Let's see who completes first and what is the answer. Are we matching or not? Shall we? Fatafat. And Yusuf, if I see you talking once again in the class. Arey, ask me, na man. Who has doubt? You has doubt. Tell me. No, if you have a doubt, ask, man. Arey, no, not so soon, yaar. Let me start. Hey, are cheaters. I gave you time to make a note of this. Not doesn't mean now all eyes here. Shall we start? Sir, this will become a equal to a minus 1. Agree. The current value of a. Let me do one thing. Somewhere here. Value of a. And then b. Value of a is already 10 is there. A equal to a minus 1. First p decrementation. So 10 is already there. Minus 1 becomes 9. 9 will be assigned to a. So a becomes 9. So this is 9. Plus minus a plus minus a. This minus a. 9 plus a equal to a minus 1 over here. Decrementation is there as well as assignment is there. First decrementation will happen. Current value of a is 9. Minus 1 becomes 8. Will be assigned to a. So a became 8. So 9 plus 8 plus this minus a. Because of which 9 plus 8 plus a equal to a minus 1. Am I right? Okay, sir. In that case, current value of a is 8. 8 minus 1 becomes 7. This 7 will be assigned to a. So a becomes 7. Then entire expression 9 plus 8 plus 7. That is 24. B value is 24. A value is. Are you also having the same values? Everybody, online folks, how about you guys? Your calculation matches with mine, yes or no? Faster. Quick response. Matching. If this is clear, this time I'll have 4 operators for the decrementation. Is that okay? Chalega? A plus plus 4 combination basically. A plus plus, A plus plus, somewhere plus, A plus plus, then again plus, A plus plus. Is that okay? Shall we start? Make a note of this. Meanwhile, I'll start before you complete. Let's see everybody's calculation. Forty-six. 40. 46 here, na? Here it is 14. Are you matching everybody? How about online folks? Are you also matching with the same? Everybody? 1446. Yes or no? Online folks? Comfortable each one of you? Pakka? Mallikarjun, how about you, man? Today is your second class. Comfortable. Praveen? Our rocket science are very complicated, sir. Copable? No. So this time I'll be taking, am I right? Start. Hey. A is 7, assign the current value, that is 7. But don't forget the decrementation, hence becomes 6. 30. Pakka. Matching. Sure. 6 and 35. Pakka. Sure. Are you all confident? Sure. Each one of you. In that case, take out your notebook. First program you wrote something when you came before starting anything. You remember? Before starting you wrote something, na? Tell me that expression. It's a bigger expression and one person will tell. Anyone. B equal to plus plus minus a minus minus plus a plus plus minus a minus minus plus minus minus a minus a plus plus. Yeah, how much is there? Plus minus minus a minus a plus plus. Hey, how much is that? Plus 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 a, na? Enough, huh? So I'll do one thing. This one also I write it here. This is what I read. Minus minus a here, plus or minus? Last one is a plus plus. Before this, plus. This one, a plus plus. Huh? A plus plus. But this is minus. Okay. Shall we start now? Together? We started with this only, na? Let's check it. Evaluate everybody. Fatapat. Before I start, quickly continue. or shall I give you as a homework? Almost done. Chalo, good, good. Use this way. See, pay attention. If plus 9 and minus 9 is there, become 0. Like this, finding the pairs. Find the pairs. Plus minus, somewhere combinations will be there. This is what I have done. A is 12, huh? Sure. We'll check it again. Wait. How about you guys? Others? Even I might have done mistake. I'll check it. No big deal. Online folks, I expect the responses from your end. Let's see. Okay, da. Oh, no problem. Your answer, da. Sorry, we are matching. This is my B value will be assigned. This is my A. Hurry. Same bench. Ready? Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. No problem. Max 2-3 minutes. Take your time. Answers. A40. Others? Sujay? Uthar 11. Now, I might have done mistake. You might be right. Who knows? We will recalculate everybody. Don't worry. If your answer is something else, what's your name, buddy? Arey, named Vishwas. Is earlier something else was there. Parvagila. Have you cross-checked? You also do a cross-check, man? I have not done the cross-check. I will do it. So I might be wrong. Bhargav, Mallikarjun, 2 minutes more. Meanwhile, shall I type the code? You complete? Can anybody help me with that? Dictate. Hello? Jagdish, read the red color font. B equal to? Huh? Huh? Hmm? 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 That's all? Something more is there? Huh? Minus A plus 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 A. Let me share the screen. Online folks, cross check everything correct or not. Quickly respond in chat. Is everything correct? What's your answer, Mallikarjun? A? A is 10. B is 11. Sure? Okay. Then we'll do one thing before I get into the coding. Let's do a cross check. Shall I? Agree? Sir, A is equal to 10, na? Okay, sir. Tell me then. Sir, 10 is the pre-incrementation. So first you increment, make it 11. Agree? You will consider also 11. Agree? Minus, minus. First decrementation. So current value consider. Whatever the current value, what? 11. 11 I have considered. Agree? Then don't forget to decrement. Agree? Then plus. First current value, whatever is there, that is 10. Don't forget to increment. I incremented. Done. Minus current value, because post means current value is what? 11. Consider current value. Don't forget to decrement. Agree? Plus. This. I mean, from here I'll proceed here. Plus. What is this? This one, right? Agree? Are you sure? No, yeah, actually I have moved up. Wait a minute. I'll start once again. थोड़ा जगह छोड़ के start करते हैं इस बार. Actually, I didn't see this part. Let me start. Wait a minute. Sir, first of all, we need to find out B equal to what? And A value is what happened. A value is already 10, sir. Because of this operation, first you do the incrementation, A became 11. Then assign 11, consider the 11 incremented value, minus. Then first you consider the current value, that is 11. Don't forget to decrement. I have decremented. Done. Plus. Then post means first you take the current value, that is 10. Don't forget to increment. I incremented. Done. Till here done. Then minus. Agree? Take the current value. Current value is 11. Don't forget to decrement. I decremented to 10. Done. Then I'll take this value plus as it is. Then minus minus. First you decrement. 10 is already there. First you decrement to 9. Then you consider the decremented value. Done. Am I right? Then this one will come. Agree? This says minus. Okay. A plus plus. Take the current value, that is 9. Don't forget to increment. Agree? Incremented. Done. Then I will be taking this value. Agree? So plus minus minus. So first you decrement. Agree? Then assign the decremented value. Done. Then you say minus. Minus is what? A plus plus. Current value is 9. Take 9. Don't forget to increment to 10. Done. Plus. Plus plus A. First you increment. I incremented. Then you take the incremented value. Done. Agree? Sir, positive plus gone, sir. Agree? Positive and negative 9 gone, sir. Positive and negative 9 gone, sir. Negative 11, positive 11 gone, left over. 10 will be assigned to. B, 11 will be assigned to. Agree? Earlier also same answer came or different came when I did calculation? Earlier also same answer? Sure? Cross check. Shall we cross check? Online folks, comfortable? All of you, each one of you, respond in chat quick. I'm reading your chats. By the way, is it becoming too complicated for you? Manageable. Manageable, na? And humble request, please ensure to practice as there is no use of today's class. I am repeatedly telling, ensure you practice and come to the class. Shall I proceed? Chaliye, sir. Let me share the screen. If you look, this is what the code is. See, check the equation. Plus plus a minus minus plus a plus plus minus a minus minus plus a plus plus minus a minus a plus plus a. Agree? This is what the equation is there. As far as a value is b value. Agree? Shall we cross check? Shall we? Let me clear the screen. Compilation successful, execution wise. A is, B is, and randomly I took that expression when I started the discussion of unary. Randomly took it. Can I say each one of you are comfortable with this much? Let any combination of incrementation, post incrementation, pre incrementation, post decrementation, pre decrementation, anything comes. Are we ready? Confident? Provided you practice. Without practice, there is no guarantee you learn. Let me tell you. And see, typing the code, how much is the big deal? Tell. This is all you need to type. Super complicated thing I'm asking you. You have already written everything in the notebook. Ensure every single program you practice and then come to the tomorrow session. That's it for the day. Tata. Bye bye. Namaskara. See you in next class. Bye bye. And if at all, listen very carefully. If it, because see, it's actually 6 p.m. now. Usually it is raining and all. If at all, if there is a change in, if at all there is a change in class timing, I'll keep updated into the group. Have a look into it. Agree? Because tomorrow I may change some class timing if at all possible. Then I'll update in the group way before the class timing. I mean, by evening or by night itself, I'll update. As soon as you get up, have a look at the message. Can I say, as soon as you get up, you have a look at the WhatsApp group, demo group. I'll update only in the demo group. I hope all of you are part of the demo group. If those who are not part of the demo group, then wait for a moment. Let me share the screen with you. Those of you are not part of the demo group, quickly scan this QR code. Quickly scan the QR code online, folks. Go to Google Lens, you will be part of this group. Pardon? I'm coming in between, huh? Huh? Eight three zero nine six double two four double two. One person added. 2%. 6303391 389. Online person, somebody. Others, quick, quick. Scan, faster. Okay, two more people added. Ending with 19509398. Anybody from here? 1950 ending with 9398. 9398. 1950, I guess online. Anybody else who is not part of the group? Already there? Already there? Then no problem. Then I have something else for you waiting. That is your today's attendance. Mark your attendance, please, everybody. Can I say each one of you practice whatever happened so far? Yesterday, day before yesterday, whatever is pending, everything complete and come tomorrow session. Guys, if you're practicing the sessions, then only there is a fun of learning. Else it is boring. Those who are done with the attendance marking and being part of the group can leave. If attendance is done, let me show you the QR code for the WhatsApp group. Quick, if you're not part of it. Guys, ensure to check your WhatsApp group, this one, demo group, as soon as you get up. Am I clear? I'm sure you will not get up before 8 a.m. or 10 a.m. Na? Whenever you get up, ensure to check your WhatsApp group. I may change the class timing for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. I mean, these couple of days, 2-3 days. Clear? And I don't need to remind you, 12 lakhs package. If you are registered candidate, immediately contact Parshuram sir and apply for it. Am I clear? If you are not part of the registered candidates, then get registered soon before the opportunity is lost. I mean, it's not like this is the only opportunity, but one of the good opportunity came so far. Agree? This, I guess, couple of 2-3 weeks in this. One is came for 11 point something, and this is the 12 within a month. Couple of weeks back, 6 lakh one came. That one candidate has already placed. Within 1.5 months, she got placed. Let's see how many of you within couple of weeks get placed for 12 lakhs of package. I'm eagerly excited to know that. Apply, try your best. Whatever is you have learned so far in your entire life, give a best try. If does not happen, it's okay. See, if you cannot clear the interview, anybody gonna take out the gun and shoot you? Nothing. We'll give you next opportunity. Max is what? You'll attend one more interview. Ready? Okay, sir. If anybody online, folks, if anybody has any doubt, I'm here to listen to you all ears. Kindly respond in chat. I'll talk to you. If not, all of you people can leave the class one after another. See who stood up first. Amaya, so much of lengthy session, ra. Online folks, if everybody done, you can leave the class. If you're done, you can leave the class. I'll update the class timing in the group. But working by after Java project, don't import also be that there is no need of import statement at all. And because let me tell you, this import statement is gone. Let me also You have done what they do, that's fine. Although there is no much requirement to work. Oh, like all the artificial. Like all only anybody, only critical techniques. And other by the way, honestly, are you understanding something or you know?